You won't believe the reveal of this DW kit once we rewrap it here at Drums Etc. in white pearl. This project was an absolutely killer one to walk through the door. The customer drove all the way from Ohio to Little Lancaster, Pennsylvania to have this done, and we are stoked for you guys to see behind the scenes of how it all went down. The first part of every project is disassembly. As you can see, we take our time to completely catalog every part and piece as we're taking it off. We take pictures. We want to make sure this goes back together perfectly, exactly how the customer had it when they brought it into us. You might notice this 14 looks a little different from the rest of the kit, and that's one of the reasons the customer brought this project to us. He wanted all of his drums to match perfectly, and we're going to make that happen in white pearl. We're going to use the snare, 10-inch tom, and bass drum for our examples today. Just know that every step of this process had to be done both sides of the drum and for the entire 6-piece kit. So this is a time-consuming project, but we absolutely love to do it. Once both the length and width are cut of our wrap, we scuff both the drum and the wrap itself, and then apply our contact cement solutions to both sides to dry before the official rewrapping process. And here's your satisfying clip of the video, trimming the excess wrap off of the entire drum set, one shell at a time. And here we're hand filing that hard edge of the wrap. We're not affecting the drum whatsoever, just removing that excess material and breaking off any of those rough edges around the drum. We'll also go back and remove all of our file marks before moving on to drilling. Last but not least, we'll pop midway into the bass drum rewrap. As you can see, we actually have to cut 2 pieces for each bass drum. This is due to the length of the material and how it's provided to us. So a little bit different here, takes a little bit longer to get that bass drum done. I'll also note that we painted the bass drum hoops for this customer, which is a fun thing to do. But also we offer free hoop inlays, matching hoop inlays for any of your custom projects. So if you get a bass drum done with us, don't sweat that extra hoop inlay piece. We will cut those, mount those, and cement those into place for you. That way you have a complete finished look. Don't let your drum dreams stay dreams. Let's talk about it. We'll give you an exact price of what it's going to take your drum set to the next level. We love doing this project. We're going to be doing more. If you guys have any questions about any of our custom work here at Drums, etc., pop into the DMs and let's chat.